I reminisce for a spell, or shall I say think back 22 years ago to keep it on track. The birth of a child on the 8th of October, a toast, but my granddaddy came sober. Count all the fingers and the toes, now I suppose you hope the little black boy grows.
Okie dokie. So the flight has been delayed an hour, and then all of a sudden I get an email. Oh, hello, look at this. I get an email saying your flight to Kigali has been changed. I'm not flying to Kigali, I'm flying to Entebbe. Kigali is in Rwanda, Entebbe is in Uganda. Try and ask KLM, sorry, what's the story with the flight to Kigali when it was meant to be Entebbe? Just the rudest person I've ever met in my life. Wouldn't answer my question until the gate was open, so I had to come back later. So not sure what the crack is there, but I did a little digging online, and supposedly the flight goes through Rwanda and then drops people off and then flies to Entebbe, which is sweet, but I just wanted like a pretty quick answer. But anyway, we'll get there in the end. Howzit, bloody. What's this I say? I feel like I'm in the jungle here, lad. Ready for the silverbacks, Betty.
18 years younger than my mama, but I really got beatings cause the girl loved drama. In single parenthood, there I stood. By the time she was 21, had another one. This one's a girl, let's name her Pam. Same father as the first, but you don't give a damn. Irresponsible, plain not thinking. Papa said chill, but the brother keep winking. Still he won't down, you would tear out your hide. On your side while the baby make a slide. But mama got wise to the game. The youngest of 5 kids, honey, here it is. After 10 years without no spouse, mama's getting married in the house. Listen, positive over negative for the woman a master.
Thank you, Tobias, for all the help, my friend. Got the SIM card. We're ready to go. Mr. McNulty, how are you? Perfect. Welcome to Uganda, huh?
Yeah, plus 256. Yeah.
Tell you what I'm gonna do when they reminisce over you, my God.
So, I don't even know what time it is. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I've finally made it to my hotel in Uganda, and I cannot wait. It's going to be amazing. There's so much smog and dust in this city. I think it's. I met a German guy, Tobias, at the airport. We shared a cab, and he's hilarious, madman. But he was saying it's the second most polluted air in Africa, like for a city. So already kind of going a little bit in the nose, but I'm gonna go to bed now. Check out the city tomorrow. It sounds like it's gonna be chaos. This is gonna be epic. What's cracking, son? So I'm in the city. I'm in Kampala. Plan for the day is take a look around, get some food. I won't be filming today, I don't think. So in the taxi last night, Tobias, I was chatting to him, and he's like, look, a phone will easily be taken, just because you're in a third world country, you have to pay tax, use social media, so a €600 phone, like in a place where they don't make that much money, you might not come home with it. And I'm not thinking that people are going to rob me here in Uganda at all. Like, the people are so nice and so beautiful from what I've seen so far, but I'd just like to get a feel for the place first. But I'll see what footage I can get. Shower now, breakfast. Pickford gets in later, so that should be cool. Didn't get home here till 2 o'clock last night. It was a long trip, longer than expected, delays, all this crap, so can't wait to get started. Howzit?
That's how we like to do it in the ladies. When I date back, I recall a man off the family tree. My right hand, Papa Doc, I see. Took me from a boy to a man, so I always had a father. When my biological didn't bother taking care of this, so who am I to bicker? Not a bad ticker, but I'm clocking Pop's liver. But you can never say that his life is through. 5 kids at 21, believe he got a right to.
Yeah, this is in Nakasero. You know, it is international market.
The national market.
Yeah, selling African
All of here?
spices. They are too, even if that side. Here, since in 1927.
1927.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
it is crazy.
Crazy.
International, selling all African spices,
Everything.
vanilla, African tea. They are down. They are selling spices.
What about the old taxi park? Is that fun?
The old tax park?
Is that crazy?
It is. They are crazy. That
Yeah. What happens there?
Even if the new tax pack, they are crazy.
What does happen? There's taxis everywhere.
It is transport. Yeah, the update. It is the old park. It is just.
Yeah. Is it worth looking at?
They are people. They are not people.
Just people.
Yeah.
Wow. Pickford. I've never seen anything like it.
Here we go while I check the scene with the Portuguese lover at the age of 14. The same age, front page, no fuss, but I bet you all you know they live longer than us. Never been seen now, that's where you're wrong. But give the man a taste and he's gone. Nodding off sleep to a jazz tune. I can hear his head banging on the wall in the next room. I get the pillow, but hope I don't get
Up here.
this man the cuts here at home. Maybe when you're older, we laugh all night about the rumors at the party. The old man standing yelling, "Good God."
How are you? Good. Wow. So Big Dusty and I, we're here in Kampala in Uganda, and we're down at the old taxi park. As you can probably see behind us, doesn't look anything old to me. There's millions of damn cars here, damn taxis. Take a look at this. Yeah.
For real. Like that.